Hey everyone, I just want to show you an easier way to print wirelessly than what I showed in my last video. It is actually quite obvious. Somehow I overlooked it. Credit goes to Peekaboo for the tip on this one. I also forgot there were many launch x431s that don't have access to the Play Store. I'm not aware of a workaround without the Play Store. If you haven't already installed the printer plugin, go to the Play Store and search for it. Once installed, save the fault report as a PDF. You will then have the option to share at the bottom of the screen. Click Share, choose your printer plugin, and follow the prompts. Select your printer. Now just click the print icon. Next time you won't have to follow the prompts. Thanks everyone for your support. Let me know down below if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.